Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome back to another video. I apologize for not being on YouTube the last couple of months. Life got really busy. I picked up a second job, and that second job actually turned into a second full-time job where I was working overtime for that job along with my other full-time job. And so when you're working around to 120 hours a week for months, it is quite exhausting. So I apologize, I've been absent on YouTube, but today I'm going to jump back in and I wanted to cover the DRIP Reservoir. The reservoir has been getting a lot of attention lately because of all of the Medium articles and the videos by a lot of different YouTubers talking about how we can all help each other and raise the price of DRIP. If you're not familiar with DRIP, I've put links down below on step-by-step instructions on how to get started today. But I'm assuming most of you are familiar with DRIP, so let me go up here and click to connect my wallet. Choose Wallet Connect and scan the QR code to connect my wallet to the DRIP website. Now that I am connected, I am going to come up here to the reservoir page. Now when you look at the reservoir page, you will see what looks very similar to the faucet page. You have your daily rewards, the total amount of drops that you own, your stake in the reservoir, how many times you've compounded your money, how much you've withdrawn, and your compounded total. The reason why people would want to invest in the reservoir is to help everyone out have a higher price of the DRIP token. Right now, I believe DRIP is around $7.50 per token, and as more and more people add money or liquidity into the reservoir, we are helping to harden the price of the DRIP token. So if everyone that watches this video comes to the DRIP website, they're already invested in DRIP, or they just got started today, and they came to the reservoir page and they deposited a certain amount of BNB, they would help, and all of you would help, to increase the price of the DRIP token. I believe that I read somewhere that if every single person in the DRIP website that's invested, I believe there's over 100,000 of us, they came to the reservoir and they added 0.1 BNB to the reservoir, which if we take a look at the price of the current of the BNB token right now, it's around $305. If we multiply that by 0.1, if every single person put in about 30 bucks, we could help harden the price of the DRIP token at $100 a token. And that would benefit everybody. Now, as you can see, I have invested 0.111 drop tokens, which means I've put in much more than 0.1 BNB tokens into the reservoir. And to figure out the value for my own curiosity, I'm going to open up my calculator, and we can see that we have 78 drop tokens, and that the value of these drop tokens is this amount here. So what I'm going to do is copy this amount, open my calculator, paste it in. So this is the total amount that we have in the form of drops. And then I'm going to divide it by 78 to figure out how much one drop is worth. So 78.0235. One drop is worth $3,159. So if we scroll up here to see how much I have actually put in myself, I'm going to copy this number, and then I am going to multiply it by 0.111. You can see that I've put in $350. So I've essentially put in 10 times the amount that everybody else needs to put in, and that's because I want to see the price of the DRIP token rise. So if you really want to help out and raise that price of the DRIP token, all you need to do is come to the reservoir page, enter in how much BNB you're willing to sacrifice so that everybody can win. For me, today I will do 0.05, which is half the amount that I would recommend you putting in, and then click on Buy. And when you do that, your wallet will pop open asking you to confirm that transaction. So I will do that now on my phone. Click Confirm. When the transaction goes through, you will see all these numbers refresh. And now you can see that we have total number of drops added is 0.116. Before it was 0.111, now it's 0.116. So it's a win-win for everybody. And so if you're not invested in the reservoir, I highly recommend doing so. If you want to come and when you go to your faucet page, you want to see this DRIP value increased, then that is the way to do it. You want the price to go up make a little sacrifice, help everyone out, go to the reservoir and deposit some BNB in here. And I'm feeling pretty good, so actually I'm going to come back to the faucet page and I'm going to send an airdrop right now. I am going to send an airdrop to everyone who has at least 100 DRIP tokens in their account. So I'm going to come over here to Team Airdrop, use my address, and I'm going to send out among all the players that have at least 100 DRIP tokens in their account. They don't need any directs. Minimum DRIP tokens is 100. I'm going to put in 10 DRIP tokens, which is about 70 bucks, and then I'm going to click run. And it's going to tell me every single person on my team that has at least 100 DRIP tokens. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I believe in DRIP and I want the price of DRIP to go up. So when I send an airdrop, that money is actually going to go inside of your deposits amount, which will help you earn more money every single day. So it pays to invest in this because I believe and I just want everybody to succeed at this. So let's go ahead and you can see the number is rising. It's going through all of the people that have joined my team. Once that number gets to 429, it'll show me all the people that have at least 100 DRIP tokens deposited. The great thing about DRIP is that you could literally start with around 1.5 DRIP tokens today. And in compounding, or when you come up here to the top, every day you come and you hydrate, you put your available rewards, which is 1%, back into your deposits. In doing that, you slowly build up your deposits amount. So you could start with 2 DRIP tokens today, and then a year from now, when I send another airdrop to someone with everybody who has over 100 DRIP tokens, you would probably get there because you've been constantly adding money to your deposits. So as you can see, we've got 41 people that have over 100 deposited. So over the 41 people, I'm going to split up this 10 DRIP tokens. So I've selected everybody and I am going to send. And this is going to pop open on my device like a bunch of times to confirm every single one of these transactions, so I won't bore you with that. I'll just wait for the first couple ones to show a green check mark, showing that the airdrop was actually sent, so you can see that one went through. And just know that every time I send an airdrop to somebody, I am also paying the BNB gas fees. So it's not that I'm just spending 10 DRIP tokens, it's that I'm spending 10 DRIP tokens plus 0.0085 BNB. So it does cost me a little bit extra than that. But anyway, as this is running, I'm going to be pressing confirm in the background and sending an airdrop to every single person. So take a look at this view here. Let me see if I can get everyone. Don't know if I can get everyone in this list. But, okay, there we go. So if you see your address on here, look in your deposits. Today, you will have a little bit of extra in your deposits because of this airdrop. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate it. To recap, invest in the DRIP Reservoir, put in a little bit of BNB so that everybody can have a higher DRIP price. It'll harden the price, and who doesn't like a hard DRIP price? All right, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.